Hey guys, welcome back to Hanging with the Kiddos Creative Creations. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to create a template for the Cracker Jack wrapper. This is for the 1 ounce box of popcorn. You can find them in a pack of 3 at the Dollar Tree and Walmart, places like that. If you're interested in learning how to create the template, make sure you watch the video to the end. We're going to create the template, print, and assemble. For those of you who are interested in a pre-made template, you can find a link for it in the description box down below. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Make sure you hit that notification bell. Stay tuned. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is head on over to canva.com. You either can select the certificate option, which is the page size 11 by 8.5. That's the size we need. Or you can go over to custom size, make sure it's in inches, and put in 11 by 8.5 inches and select create a new design. Alright, so once your blank canvas pulls up, you want to head on over to Elements. Scroll down to Shapes. And we want our first shape to be 6.2 inches in height. And we want it to be 3 inches across. I'm just trying to center this piece. Okay, next we want to duplicate our shape. Make it a different color for now. Move it over. And we want this shape to be the same height, but we want it to be 1 inch across. We want to duplicate this shape and move it over. Okay. Next, we want to duplicate this shape again, make it a different color. We want it to be the same height, but we want this shape to be 1.5 inches across. Duplicate this shape and just bring it to the other side. Not that. Duplicate and bring it to the other side. And there you have it. We have created our template. This is the front of your box. These two areas are your sides, so they are big enough for you to add some text or small clip art, so you will be able to see this. And these two are the back of your box. Now that we have our template created, we can go up to the Uploads tab and upload all of the clip arts, backgrounds and photos that you may want to use in your design. I have already uploaded everything that I want to use. If my screen looks different, it's because I have Canva Pro and I'm able to save all of my clip arts in different folders so that I can keep them organized. But if you don't have Canva Pro, you can find everything that you uploaded under the Uploads tab. So I'm about to quickly create a design, print, and assemble. Stay tuned. Guys, I wanted to quickly show you the pre-made template I created for the Cracker Jacks wrapper. You can find the link for it in the description box down below. But I wanted to show you that I did include the logo, which I forgot to include in my design that I created. I included the nutrition facts label for you, and I included a barcode, and I also included an extra piece for taping. You could do it without this, but it was really close to the edge, so I included about 1/4 of an inch for taping, just so you can have a little more extra room when you're assembling your box. Alright guys, I hope you all found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and make sure you hit that notification bell. Thank you all so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye.